Hayes here, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, do I have a treat for y'all? It is just a beautiful Monday morning out here in East Tennessee, and I've got not one, not two, but about 7 or 8 volunteers all finished up, ready to ship out across the country. This is my man Irvin right here. He ordered this bad boy about 16 weeks ago, guys. That's what's nice about our volunteers. They are on a 16 to 20 week lead time, so you get them pretty quick. And now this is just our standard volunteer right here. Now he did upgrade to the stainless steel front shelf, but other than that, this is exactly how it comes. So these suckers start at $44.99. All right. Does have a fold down stack here. That's just included. All right. You ain't got to pay me extra for that. You can pay me extra if you want to, but that's included in the price. So you got that. We'll check out the smoke chamber here. So what's nice about this, guys, is it's not your average size backyard pit. It's big. All right, this sucker's big. Let me tell you what, it is 27 inches in diameter, 52 inches long. So you got a lot of cook room in here. It does have a water pan tray back here. Now, it doesn't take up any cook space. It's back here in the back. So if you want to set a water pan on it, you can do that and not take up any room. Fit plenty of pork butts, briskets, ribs, whatever you want to smoke, it'll smoke it. I'll tell you what. Close the door down here. It does have TMG Pits Tell True thermometers, one on each end. I said he did upgrade to the stainless steel shelf, but it does fold, folds down, folds back up, lock it in place. One hand operation, that thing's smooth. Come down to the firebox here. Now the firebox is 3/8, all right? Smoke chamber's 1/4 inch, firebox is 3/8. So you got an extra thick firebox, big firebox. So you got plenty of room to build you a big fire in there, get you a good coal bed going. That's our volunteer smoker, guys. So these suckers are all finished up, ready to ship out. We're about to start on our next run. So, hey, if you want the best backyard pit in America, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.